So as I was filming this unboxing of the coilovers, I ended up not having the mic on, so yeah, I ruined that. Which kind of sucks because it was the first real good unboxing and I didn't have a mic. And I did not feel like packing it all back up to redo it, especially when I'm introducing my buddy Max. He has a Mustang GT350, and that was his daily outing. So, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm getting ready to put the coilovers on, and I realized yesterday that when I was putting the clips of the unboxing together for like a TikTok or Instagram, I didn't have any mic, so it's about 4 minutes of filming that are just going to be music now, and frame lapse, basically. So, but mic's set now, and we're going to get to getting the two fronts put on today.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast.
Alright, now that we got the first coilover out, which is the right one of the front, I gotta double check the overall length of everything, like if the spring's the same size or not, but basically the overall length of the coilover is going to need to be the same in order to have the same ride height. So we could tape measure out to the bottom of the body to the top of the spring is 16 inches. So the spring measure these springs, see if they're the same. 7 inches, 8 inches, so it's a problemo. The top hats seem to be about the same distance off of everything, so I think we can, hold on, I do need to raise it a little bit. Raise the body of it up. So, but let's get everything on the car, see where it sits, and go from there. Now, before actually putting it on the car, we want to make sure that the spring rate is set correctly. So what you're going to do is find them. Here they are. Take your wrenches, and you're going to loosen these collars, these lock rings. Second. There we go. Undo this lock ring here. This one. And then loosen the spring one till there's a little bit of slop. A little bit of slop. Tighten it to where it doesn't want to go freely anymore. No more slop. Okay. tighten this one to it. Don't lock it, but just tighten it to it. Okay? And then this one, you're going to tighten this until the wrench can fit in between the two. And that's how you set your spring rate. Now, obviously you can make it tighter than what you like bought. So like, for example, that's like perfect right there. Back off one a little bit. Sure. A little bit of space, so we're going to back off a little bit more. Okay. So if you're trying to go like super quote unquote static, where you don't want any movement, then you can basically crank this as much as you want. Not really suggested because it'll blow the shock out. And there we go, we're set. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest it. I'm not really big into what do you want to call it? Stancy boy stuff. I'm all in it for actual performance, not Stancy boy stuff. So lock that tight, and now you got your spring rate set. Now it's time to put it on the car. Oh, this is the 32-way adjustable BR series. I'm just gonna put it on the hardest and see what it's like, just because the old coilovers, they were stiff. I don't know how they're gonna be exactly, but and basically I'll do trial and error. There is a road that I can really like, that I can really drive, and so I'll just slowly adjust all of them how I like it and go from there. But I guess for like comfort, for like drive to work and everything, I can put it on the soft, like really soft. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what it's like. There will be a review, obviously. I will be reviewing the old suspension, which are max speeding rods. Like a 1 year. I've had them a little over a year, so I'll do like a 1 year review on them. But let's get these things back in the car. Alright, so this is the right side of the vehicle, so we got the right side strut. And then what you do is you take those nuts off the top here, so that you can shove them up there and get them right into their mounting hole. So we're going to send it up there. And now I have actual like camber adjustment. The other ones, it could have been my fault. I'm not sure exactly, but the other ones, they kind of went on a little bit of an angle and back. So I tried turning them. They didn't want to bolt up. I don't know if I'm just an idiot or what, but yeah. Well, let's finish getting those bolted on. A second. So if you do have a strut bar, you will need to have that unbolted, of course. I believe it's the same socket. It's all blurry because I've taken off the last one. Nope, it's a different socket, but you get the point. So I'm gonna get that done. Alright, I got those bolts on the top, and now let's try and get these ones in here. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. Try and come in this way because I screwed myself with the caliper last time. This part can be difficult. He wants to fight you the whole time. There we go. Ta-da! Ta-da. Got them both on. And now I gotta get them tightened and pack them on. That's an installed coilover right there. Installed. I just need to put these on, which I need to use zip ties, don't ask why. And then I gotta do the rest of them. Alright, so my dumb ass was wrong. These are exactly how the old coilovers were. Top hat wise. They are on a slight slant, but I think so are they're a little less of a slant. Let's see that. A little less, but basically completely lined up with this first nut. Yeah, I don't know. They're the same. That's good. But then I kicked in all the way, and it looks about how it used to be. So that's good. We're just gonna have to play with the right height. We're gonna be Cali leaning, squatted, yee boyin'. I'm gonna put it down. The rears, I'm gonna have to change the coil. I'm gonna have to modify the coilover because that bolt right there is slightly oblong. I need it a lot more oblong. So we're gonna be cutting that, not cutting it, maybe drilling it and like kicking it out so that it has more camber adjustment. So that's gonna be something. Which I believe we're gonna do that on the car. So, but let's get this other one done, and then I'll see you guys back when I'm finishing up the last rear one. Alright, so I only got the front done today. I had to do a lot of final touches, and I really needed to make sure this was set and right so that I can get the work tomorrow. The rear I still need to do yet. This is just because how I'm parked. There's a bunch of ruts in the driveway, but I'll be back to do this probably, hopefully tomorrow if I can, but definitely during the week, and then I'll get this up as soon as possible. Alright guys, so it is 2 days 2 days since I've done these. I didn't get to finish them. I had to go back to work. So, these just been left outside. Obviously, I wanted to put them in the Jetta so that they weren't wet, but whatever. Doesn't really matter. I just wanted to make them not wet so that I could review them. I also wanted to have it to where I had the rears off as well, so I could review all 4 of them, so you guys could see how bad all 4 of them are. But there's only 2 for right now. We'll be back with another video, finishing up the last 2, and then I will be releasing a review video for the max speeding rods as well. I'm going into depth on why they're effed up, like time frames for everything and whatnot. So this is going to be a part 1 video of the front end install, and then the rear is going to be finishing up the rear suspension and modifying the coilovers to suit my car. Like, I need to notch some holes to make it to where I can adjust camber more and a bunch of stuff. Right now it's very darty and understeery. That's because I don't have enough camber in the front to match the toe that I had set, where it's got less camber right now to where the toe isn't the same. If I get the same camber, the toe will be the same, so that would fix everything. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I am super excited to have these on the car. It's a night and day difference from the front end to the rear end. Every bump, the front end is nice and solid and kind of forgiving. Like, yeah, you're still in coilovers, but it's a bump, not a hole in the earth, you know what I mean? While the fronts are kind of like solid, like, there was a bump. The rears, dong, 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 king, king, kong, kong. Just horrible. So, hope you guys enjoy. Go check out the TikTok of that 90 Rolla. I'm putting some work into that, and I got Coilover Depot to like and follow me, so that's pretty cool. They don't have many followers on there to begin with, but for me to tag them, and they had an account, and I bought coilovers from their site, and them to like and follow, it was pretty cool. So I messaged them in hopes of getting some stickers. I told them I'll put it on my car. So hopefully I get stickers. I really want the stickers. But hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the part 2. Thank you.